I'm at a friend's condo and I'm going to do some work in here. They just are getting moved in, and look at this place. It's a 3-story condo. It's kind of cool. It's really spacious inside, and there's 3 floors to it. And they even have a nice little garage here. But we're going to walk in here and see what's going on, because there's lots of things they want me to do, I think. Here's the condo. Hey, Cindy.
Hi, Video Joe.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing just great.
Excellent.
Looks like we got a mess going on here. What's the deal here?
Just trying to move in, Joe.
Okay, well, is this your place or what's up?
It's actually my daughter's place, but she's at work today, so you and I are going to have to work our magic.
Okay. Here's the kitchen area, and they just installed a backsplash of tile, and I think it looks great. Here's the tiles they picked out right there, and they ended up putting it on the wall there, and they're going to seal it today. If the guy gets here, maybe he'll let me show him seal the tile. But anyways, I've got a whole list of things to do. And over here, here's a wall-mounted TV that I'm going to install. And we're going to install it up here on the wall. And I'll show you how to do that, don't worry. But we're going to take a look around. Show me around, Cindy.
Okie doke, Joe.
Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a little split system air conditioner. Like the fans you picked out.
Thank you.
Too bad I didn't get a chance to install them.
I know. I should have waited for you, Joe.
Yeah, well, you know. All right, so that's pretty much it for the first floor. Now we're going up the first flight of stairs. And like I say, there's 3 floors here, but it's actually pretty cool. Okay, here's the first bedroom. And they're probably going to put some artwork up there. And like I say, they're still kind of getting ready to set things up. And what do we got here? Another TV that I suppose you want mounted up to that wall, huh?
Right over there, Joe.
Okay.
We know you can do it.
Okay, right there. And looking at the closet here, are you gonna want me to do anything in this closet?
Yes, probably some additional shelving for storage. Can never have enough storage on Maui.
Right. So it just came with one shelf up high
Yes.
and nothing else. So
We don't have anything that long.
we'll have to figure out, maybe we can put another one of those metal shelf hangers halfway down or something.
That would be great.
All right. And we doing anything in here? Nice little bathroom.
Eventually, probably replace the towel bars.
Oh, how cute.
They're
What are those things?
some gifts from my daughter.
Oh, so she's gonna hang those up.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, that's the first bedroom. Not much there, but I mean it's very compact and very usable. Now we go up another flight of stairs.
We have a niche, Jeff.
A niche.
Yes.
What are you gonna put in there?
Have no idea.
Okay. Up another flight of stairs. It's gonna give you a good workout.
Yes. No need for the gym anymore.
Washer and dryer, right there. And we're in the blue room. Ooh, that's cool. Who picked that color out?
My daughter.
Here's that desk I was just putting up, helping Chelsea with.
Yeah,
Turned out nice.
We should have videotaped that.
A nice metal desk unit. That's where all of her work's gonna happen, huh?
Yep.
She's a scuba diver and she edits videos and does pictures and photography underwater, and then she sells them. That's pretty nice. Okay, nice little bed there. And what do you suppose we're gonna put on that wall?
You guessed it. Another TV.
Another TV. Well, I'll have to go over that again with you. And there's the TV mount. Where is it? There it is. The TV mount. We're going to mount that up there. Obviously, that lamp's going to go out of there.
Yes.
And here's another fan I didn't install, but it, you know, I think they did an okay job on those. I'll give them credit for that.
Passes, huh?
It passes the Joe test. Oh, okay. Nice walk-in closet here too.
Yes, but severe lack of shelving
Yeah.
once again.
Just one shelf up high, all the way around.
Yeah, that would net
And
us
then
a
there's
lot.
all kinds of empty space
Yes, underneath.
down below.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll probably figure out what to do there. Maybe put another shelf down there,
Absolutely.
down low. And there's quite a bit of room from the top shelf on up to the ceiling. Wow, you got a lot of space there for storage.
Yes.
So we'll probably end up putting another ring of shelves up high, even over the door. Cindy, you got all kinds of room above the door
Oh,
too.
yeah. It's wasted space.
So I guess we could probably put a shelf up there too, huh?
That'd be great.
Okay. And another bathroom. This place goes on forever. Okay. Just getting set up. Very
Yeah.
nice, very nice.
You'll have to come back when we're all set up.
Yeah.
See the end result.
Okay, so it looks like I got a few things to measure. Whoa. Going on back down here. I'm gonna have to get my tape measure out, do some measuring, make a list of all the different things that I need. I'm gonna have to go to the store because I got a lot of things to do here. And you're in luck, you know, if you stick around, I'm gonna show you all this on my channel. Bits and pieces, you know. But ooh, I like those glasses there. What type of glasses are those, Cindy?
Martini.
Martini glasses, very nice. And a nice little mask that I'm gonna have to install, or somebody is.
You're gonna have to do it, Joe.
I think you did well for your
Thank you.
daughter. Oh, I like that. Because before she had her shoes all over the place.
You're exactly right.
Yeah. Okay, I got to get one of those.
Good organizational tool.
All right, well, I'm all out of breath already. You know, I hope you got something for me in that refrigerator of yours.
Absolutely. Your favorite, Joe.
Yeah. All right. It's a Diet Coke.
It's a diet.
Yes. Oh, I can work
Enjoy,
now.
Joe.
All right,
And
thanks.
then get to work.
All right. Jeez. I'm always being bossed around. All right. Thanks for checking her out. Be back in a flash. That's how I feel right about now because I got a lot of work ahead of myself. And if you think, when you move into a new place and you think everything's ready for you and you don't need Joe, think again. You know, there's lots of things that you can need me for. And you never know. So check out my channel a few times. See what you can find.